Hi, welcome to our Sherlock Holmes series. Today we'll show you how to spy on your competitors' SEO strategy. Unlike SEM, SEO is a long-term investment in strategy to rank your website on page 1 of Google's search result pages organically. So you're not paying for it. Where you pay for it is SEM. Where you want to rank organically is SEO. Let's get into it. Okay, we will continue with the real estate marketplace, buyrentkenya.com, while still using SpyFu.com to check on the competitors and what they're up to. So head over to the tab SEO Research and to the tab Competitors. You'll be able to see your competitors, the monthly clicks, the monthly value, as well as the common keywords that you have with each individual competitor. If you're using the free version, the dashboard and the metrics will be limited, but you can still play around with the columns and be able to see what are some of the opportunities that you're missing out when it comes to search terms. One thing to note about SpyFu.com is that the preferred market and the preferred region is limited. However, search terms tend to be similar across regions and across countries. What tends to change is the volume of the search terms. In other words, how many times are people searching for that particular keyword versus is the keyword the same across regions. Now here's the catch. To be a top-notch spy, you need to be operating from a desktop or laptop. Unfortunately for mobile users, these cool features are off limits to you. Keep watching our other videos on how to become an FBI, a fun business inspector. Happy spying, everyone!